Lesson 18 of 32, the La minor A minor scale, Part 6 of 7. Solmization with 7 seventh chords in 4 positions each in the La minor A minor harmonic scale. A seventh chord has 4 notes in its fundamental or root position. These 4 notes are the fundamental, the third, the fifth, and the seventh. The fundamental is the lowest sounding note. The third is the first note above the fundamental, which forms either a major third or minor third interval with the fundamental. The fifth is the second note above the fundamental, which forms either a diminished fifth, perfect fifth, or an augmented fifth with the fundamental. The seventh is the third note above the fundamental, which forms either a diminished seventh, minor seventh, or a major seventh with the fundamental. A seventh chord has only 4 positions: fundamental or root position, abbreviated as 7, first inversion, abbreviated as 6-5, second inversion, abbreviated as 4-3, and third inversion, abbreviated as 2. In a minor natural scale, there are only 4 possible seventh chords when combining the 7 notes of this scale. When we raise the 7th step by 1 chromatic semitone in the minor harmonic mode to create more tonal relevant relationships, 3 more seventh chords are possible, for a total of 7 seventh chords: the minor chord with a major seventh, the minor chord with a minor seventh, the major chord with a minor seventh, the major chord with a major seventh, the diminished chord with a minor seventh, the diminished chord with a diminished seventh, and the augmented chord with a major seventh. For a brief introduction to the theory of seventh chords, please Google the words "about seventh chords Livianu," and you will have the link to a free YouTube presentation on this subject. One more thing. Volume 1, I Learn Perfect Pitch, the 32 lessons, contains a printable PDF document with over 1,700 pages of sheet music and more than 18 hours of audios and videos. There is also an in-depth analysis and presentation of the theory of chords, intervals, scales, and triads, over 200 pages of musical theory available only when you purchase Volume 1. The studio recordings were made on the Bösendorfer Grand Piano, considered the Rolls-Royce of pianos. The ear training course also contains the audios of the 32 lessons in 2 more versions, slower and faster, for the beginner and advanced students, not available on YouTube. Another benefit of owning this course is that the 32 lessons are instantly accessible and playable on your iPod or iPad. They are also free of the long introductions that you see here on YouTube. The sheet music, the audios, and the videos are available for a small charge, either on DVD or a portable flash drive. For more details and to order, please send an email to david@livianu.com.
Listen, sing, repeat.